So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check your transaction history in Invoice2Go. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up Invoice2Go. So from there you can see home, clients, invoices, estimates, and more. You can also see the search, notifications, and other things at the top part of the page. So from here, click on your account or your profile picture. You can see the upgrade. You can switch the account, personal info, company info, accounts. You can see customize your invoices, client payment options, client communications. And on there, you can just go through settings by going to client payment options. So click on that. You can see here the options like allowing tips. Then you can see terms, payment instructions, remittance advice. And on there, you should find the option Invoice2Go money. The same is true with the Mac version. So from there, if you go to Invoice2Go money, you will see your past transactions using a certain payment method. So from there, you can check on that. You can also manage your plan through here. So there's a couple ways you can keep tabs on your transactions throughout using the Invoice2Go app. So they really make it quite simple. Just go to your profile and then you can even go to restore purchase, and then you can see on there your different transaction options. So through there, just go to client payment options and then find Invoice2Go money to check out your transaction history. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Invoice2Go or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.